Yeah. Let's get it, nigga. How you make money and you sitting on your ass? How you out here getting, you ain't even got a bag. You talk about that money, you ain't even about that bag. You say you get money, you ain't even about that bag. Bitch, I'm out here stacking, bitch, I'm all about that bag. Right around I'm flexing, bitch, you know I'm in that jag. Girl wanna fuck with us, man, she all up on my ass like my Louis jeans. Cause I'm getting money, stacking green, and she on the team. Niggas told what they seen, but I done did what they seen. I done stacked a lot of money and I done sold a lot of drugs. Ride around with a lot of plugs, I ride around, I'm so plugged. Yo girl wanna show me love, she wanna fuck me like right now. I pound around, nigga, the new thing. Fuck the bitch in the new range. That all white, new range. Niggas same color cocaine. Y'all say y'all getting that money, but y'all ain't getting that band up. I'm drinking all of that cool cup. Man, I'm doing my thing now. Nigga talk about that money, but y'all ain't getting that money. Y'all ain't niggas so funny, and y'all ain't niggas so bummy. Y'all niggas ain't counting cash. Y'all ain't even got no bag. You ain't even got no stash, nigga. How you flipping working? You ain't even got a plan. You niggas say you get money, you ain't selling grams. Say you get money, young nigga, you ain't in the lamb. I can fuck your bitch, man, I put her all on cam. First night, I got her off the liquor. Now she all on my dick, now she wanna take pictures. I pull up on them sixes, now she missing. Now she gone with me, now you wanna call her phone. Now you know you stalking G. Insecure as hell, why you worry about that bitch though? Cause she with a nigga like me up on the D-Lo. She wanna get fucked right now, and then I pass her back. You can have her tomorrow, nigga, yeah, she just a fucking snack. I'ma hit her good, then she on, and I'ma hit her real good on Patron. I'ma hit her good, she know my money long, and I'ma hit her good.